Hello everyone, we are back with a new and amazing video on some unnoticed members with whom we live in our homes. Shocked? I am talking about those living creatures which we see around us almost every day. So let's start with it. Remember? It's Tom, the ever-chasing cat in the cartoon series Tom and Jerry. Here's some interesting facts about the cats. First fact, cats can rotate their ears 180 degree. Second fact, we all know that the cat mews. But do you know that the cats communicate with other cats in a vocal range which humans are unable to hear? The only cat's voice which we can hear is mewing. Now let's talk about Tom's rival. That's Jerry, the rat. Fact number 1. Rats have excellent memories. Once they learn a navigation route, they will never forget it. Fact number 2. A rat can go longer than a camel without having a drink of water. The tiniest creature which we see around us are the ants. Wanna know more about them? Let's go. First fact, ants don't have ears to hear. Instead, they use vibrations in the ground to hear. Fact number 2, ants have 2 stomachs. It's not because they are greedy. One stomach holds food for their own consumption, whereas the second one holds food which is to be shared with other ants. Third fact, ants have the ability to carry 20 times weight than its own body. They are man's best friends. They are loyal. They are unconditional lovers. Such 2 friends are the dogs. So let's try to know more about them. First fact, as every human being has a unique fingerprint. Similarly, every dog can be identified with their unique nose prints. Second fact, dog's sense of smell is about 1 lakh times stronger than human beings. However, they have only 1/6 our number of taste buds.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, some say juda hai Spider-Man.
Everybody knows that Spider-Man became a Spider-Man due to a spider. So, here are some facts about the spiders. First fact, the silk in spider's web is actually 5 times stronger than a strand of steel of the same thickness. Second fact, in reality, spider's silk is liquid, but when it comes in contact with air, it hardens. Fact number 3. The color of spider's blood is blue. In spider, the molecule that oxygen is bound to contain is copper, which gives their blood the blue color. Musca domestica. Don't know what it is? It's the scientific name given to the houseflies, which are really the most irritating creatures we see around us. First fact, houseflies can taste with their feet. Second fact, compared with you and me, flies essentially see the world in slow motion. Hope you guys like this video, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe.